too close, just to wake up alone. And I know you think you can run, you're scared to believe I'm the one, but I just can't let you go. I'd let the world go, let the world burn for you. This is how it always had to end. If I can't have you, then no one can. I'd let it.
But it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know, to be with you in paradise. What I wouldn't sacrifice, why'd you have to chase the light somewhere I can't go, as I walk this world alone. That I call home. It's a long goodbye on the other side of the only life I know. And if
I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted, I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free.